Hey everyone, want to download CrystalDiskInfo to monitor the health of your SSD or hard drive? CrystalDiskInfo is a free utility that displays smart data, drive temperature, health status, firmware information, and other important details about your storage devices. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to download CrystalDiskInfo safely from the official source. So let's get started. First, launch your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other modern browser. Type CrystalDiskInfo official website into your search engine, or navigate directly to the official CrystalDiskInfo download page. Downloading from the official source helps ensure you're getting the latest and safest version. Now select the version that best matches your needs. The installer version is recommended for most users, while the portable version can be run without installing the program. Wait for the download to begin and complete. Depending on your internet speed, the download usually finishes within a few moments. Once the download is complete, confirm that the installer has been saved successfully. You should see the CrystalDiskInfo setup file in your Downloads folder or the location you selected. You're now ready to install CrystalDiskInfo. Simply double-click the installer and follow the setup wizard to complete the installation. The process only takes a few minutes, and that's how to download CrystalDiskInfo. By downloading the software from the official website, you'll have the latest version ready to install and start monitoring your storage devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.